Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best mushroom vase glass on the market, the Glasseam Amber Glass Mushroom Vase Set. If you're looking for a unique and charming way to brighten up your living space, office, or any room in your home, this set of 5 mini bud vases could be exactly what you need. The Glasseam Mushroom Vase Set is truly a standout piece. Each vase is crafted from high-quality borosilicate glass, known for its durability and clarity, giving these vases a smooth, polished look with beautiful transparency. Unlike ordinary glass vases, these are handmade with thicker glass, offering a perfect balance between elegance and sturdiness. The amber color adds a warm, earthy tone that looks magical when light passes through, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. What makes this vase set special is the design inspiration. Each piece resembles a different mushroom shape and size, capturing the enchanting essence of mushrooms found in nature. This unique aesthetic adds a funky yet natural charm to your decor, making them perfect for anyone who loves quirky, artistic accents in their space. They fit wonderfully into various decor styles, whether you prefer boho, farmhouse, contemporary, or Victorian themes. Functionality is just as impressive as the design. The opening of each vase has been thoughtfully upgraded from multiple small holes to one larger hole, measuring about 0.78 inches in diameter. This allows you to place single stem flowers, small plants, or even baby cuttings with ease, making these vases not just decorative but also highly practical. The wider base design ensures stability, preventing them from tipping over easily when displayed on tables, shelves, or windowsills. Versatility is another key feature. These vases work beautifully as individual flower holders, but they can also double as modern propagation stations for your favorite greenery or succulents. Some users even find creative ways to use them as reed diffuser bottles or charming gifts for special occasions like birthdays, baby showers, weddings, or holidays such as Christmas and Halloween. The dimensions of the set make them ideal for compact spaces. Each vase is designed to be small and light, with the entire set measuring approximately 12.9 inches in length, 7.89 inches in width, and 4.72 inches in height. This size allows for easy placement anywhere without taking up too much space while still making a noticeable decorative statement. Glasseam's dedication to quality extends beyond the vases themselves. The packaging is breakage-proof, with secure cushioning to ensure that your set arrives in perfect condition, ready to enhance your home decor immediately. Plus, the brand is committed to customer satisfaction, so if you encounter any issues, their customer service is responsive and helpful. In summary, the Glasseam Amber Glass Mushroom Vase Set is a beautifully crafted, functional, and artistic addition to any home. It offers a fresh twist on traditional flower vases by combining the delicate charm of mushrooms with the practicality of high-quality glassware. Whether you're decorating your dining table, office desk, or gifting it to a loved one, this vase set brings a touch of whimsy and natural elegance that is hard to find elsewhere. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.